Alright, touchdown Macau. We made it. And it's kind of cold. Surprisingly. What's up, Coach? Is this your other crib?
This is my uncle's crib. We usually go here and we go to Macau.
Yep.
This is just the lobby. This is where we have guests, bring them here.
Yep. Light work. This is not really Diego's crib. Uncle's crib.
My guy, what's up, man?
What up?
What's up, man? What's going on, dude? Good
Shout
to
out
see
to
you,
the
man.
vlog. You know, good
We
to see
here?
you too.
We in here?
We're here. Alright, so we're walking around Cal and just checking out the scenery right in front of Paris. It's pretty fun to check this place out, and it reminds me a lot of Vegas, and that's what everybody says, but it is true.
Newsome creates the space. Ties the game. Banquero attacks, goes to the other side. Newsome is fouled. Hits the three. It's a 4-point play opportunity.
Yeah, we just got our first win in the EASL. It was a dope experience, man, here in Macau. And yeah, just happy we got the win. Time to eat, time to party. We got Gal. What's up, Gal? Yeah. On to the next game, and we'll see you back in Manila. Peace.